Hello, so glad you're here. In this video, we're going to determine the slope of the linear equation. Now, there's more than one way to determine the slope, but I will tell you that the slope of a linear equation is whatever's happening per one. And if from here to here is 400, then right in the middle of that would be 200. So from 0 to 200, from 200 to 400, what would be this next number? 600. So at 1 hour, the slope is 600. So the slope is 600, but let's say you didn't know to do it that way, and you only could think about the fact that if you take the second y and subtract the first y from it, and you take the second x and subtract the first x from it, you would get the slope. But let me tell you that the points that you choose don't matter as long as you keep the order, because the slope is consistent throughout the entire line. So let's suppose we chose the 2 and the 1200